Alright, so here's a quick video tutorial of how to put these metal inserts for machine screws into a piece of wood. So start out with an 1/8 inch pilot hole. And that doesn't have to go all the way in, but maybe 3/4 of the way of the final depth. And then this is the main bit, and this is just a spacer to prevent you from going all the way through whatever it is you're working on. So you'll it tends to be pretty grabby. And then the next thing you want to do is countersink it just a little bit with this countersink and just take the edge off. So it's about like that. So there's about 1/16 of an inch, and you can make it bigger, but you can't make it smaller. The next step is there's a couple of these inserts that have some filed edges in there, and that's to make it sort of work like a tap. So I just take this 1/4 inch Allen, cut off Allen, and I'll drive it in just to cut the threads for me. And then empty out the sawdust that'll collect in there. Then you get your final one, and you just screw it in there. Now, I didn't get the countersink quite deep enough, so I'll open it up a little bit, and then we'll resync it with this. And now it's nice and flush. And so into that, you can screw a 1/4-20 bolt, and it won't strip out. So if you want to, you can epoxy that in place, but that's how I do it.